How many of you think that you are not enough? Not enough means when you are doing something for somebody, then you are in fear that he will steal your content from yourself, from you. I mean, if you are doing some speaking part, if you are doing a public speaking, and you are in fear that the people sitting in the public will steal your content and they will teach somewhere else. It is called fear, feeling of not enough. I'm not able to do this right now because I don't have money. Fear of feeling not enough. I can't do it. I don't have anything related to it. Feeling of not enough. I am not capable of doing these things because I am not more knowledgeable. Fear of not enough. See, when you have this fear of not enough in yourself, then you will never grow in your life. Never. So decide yourself, are you enough or more than enough? You always say this word, I am a more than enough, more than enough, more than enough. Then you will see the life goes on and on and on. You will give shit to other person. What they are talking about yourself, nothing. But you should have a feeling of more than enough inside you. Then only you can teach other people, give other people what you have right now. Start giving it. You see, some people, when they teach something, they're not teaching from their heart, thinking that the other person will learn more than him. It means it is a feeling of not enough in himself. And when this feeling, this fear of not enough goes inside you, then it is substantially decrease your level. The level to go beyond what you want to do, it will decrease. It will start decreasing downwards. The graph, the career graph, will go downwards. But I know you don't want to do this. You don't want your level to be go down. You should aim for higher things, and for that you should have a feeling of more than enough inside you. I can do the things. Yes, I do have the things that I can do. I am capable of doing the things. Whatever I am saying is abundant. It can be easily grabbed. I have a lots of money. I am a billionaire. I am a millionaire. I can do anything. I am capable of doing anything. These are all wording affirmations for I am more than enough. See, I am not able to do this thing. I don't have this. I don't have this. This is the feeling of not enough. You should be grateful for right now that you have a lots of things that other people don't have right now. Don't be in that mindset, I don't have this, I don't have this feeling or the fear of not enough. I'm saying again and again, please keep out this feeling of not enough from you, and you will see, if you do this, you will see a lot of difference in yourself. Feeling of not enough or feeling of more than enough, it is up to you to decide to which path you want to go. So guys, if you like this video, please share this video with your friends who are always saying that I am not enough, I can't do this. And do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic, another presentation, another story. Till then, goodbye.